Hi everyone! Today we're learning fun English phrases you can use every day on social media. Repeat after me and practice your pronunciation. Let's go! Are you on Instagram? Can I have your WhatsApp number? Let's take a selfie. I'll tag you. Follow me back. I love your profile. Check out my new post. You look amazing. Let's go live. Send me the link. What app do you use for that? I just posted a new story. Thanks for the follow. I'll share it on my story. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's make a video together. I saw your post. It's awesome. You have so many followers. That filter looks great on you. How did you edit this? I love your vibe. I'll send it to you in the DMs. What's your username? I'm obsessed with this song. Tag me when you post it. I can't believe how cool this is. Let's go viral. And I have a few bonus sentences for you. I saw that hashtag on a reel. It went viral. That influencer got blocked for posting spam. I was doom scrolling through shorts and reels all morning. Great job! You've just learned real English phrases people use every day online. Practice them and sound natural when you chat in English. See you next time.